In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and customize a template in Smartsheet. To get started, open Smartsheet and head to the template gallery. This is the best place to begin when you want to save time and avoid building a sheet completely from scratch. The gallery includes a wide range of ready-made options designed for different types of work. So it's a helpful starting point whether you're organizing a team project, tracking tasks, managing a budget, handling orders, preparing reports, or building a dashboard. Once you're in the gallery, search for the type of template you need. Be as specific or as broad as makes sense for your workflow. For example, you might search by a general category like project tracking, or by a more focused use case like budget planning or status reporting. Searching helps narrow down the available options so you can quickly find layouts that are relevant to what you want to manage. As you browse the results, take a moment to review the templates carefully. Look at the structure of each one and think about how it's intended to be used. Some templates are built for projects with timelines and dependencies, while others are better suited for simple task lists, tracking, order management, reporting, or visual dashboards. The goal here is to compare what's included and decide which setup will require the fewest changes later. After that, choose the template that best matches your workflow. It doesn't have to be perfect right away, but it should be close enough that you can easily adapt it to your needs. Picking a strong starting point can make the rest of the setup much faster and more organized. Next, customize the columns, rows, and formulas. This is where you make the template truly your own. Adjust the column names so they reflect your process. Add or remove rows depending on the amount of information you need to track. And update formulas so calculations work correctly for your specific sheet. Take your time here because even small adjustments can make the sheet much more useful and easier to maintain. Once the structure looks right, add your own data. Replace the sample content with your real information and check that everything fits the way you expect. This is a good point to verify that formulas, totals, and any tracking fields are working properly. Finally, save the customized template or sheet for future use. That way, the next time you need a similar setup, you won't have to repeat the entire process. You'll have a version that already fits your workflow and is ready to use.